Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel JK Tutoring. In this video we're going to have a quick look at why fidget spinners were so successful and popular. If you don't have eyes, children or the internet, you may not have noticed the fidget spinner craze that is gripping young people's attention. Spinning their way into children's hearts and hands across the UK and US, the toy has been lauded as a way for young people to manage anxiety and ADHD, although this has been disputed by experts. It's hard to convey just how popular the fidget spinner was, but one figure stands out. 49 of the 50 best-selling toys on Amazon being fidget spinners or their squarish sibling, the fidget cube. So, what is the fidget spinner if you don't know already? The fidget spinner is a small device that fits in your hand. It is usually made up of two parts, a central bearing that you grip with your index finger and a thumb. Why was it so addictive? While other crazes have relied on collectability or competition, the fidget spinner craze has taken off due to the toy's immediately addictive nature. The sensation that comes from holding a fast spinning contraption is a large part of its appeal. So what do people do with them? The real fun comes from trying to pull off various tricks and stunts with a spinner as these forces take hold. As it spins, it can be balanced on top of your fingers, toes, and if you're really daring, your nose or your forehead as well. If you have more than one, you can stack them on top of one another and create a spinning tower that plays with your eyes. So what else should you know? Some schools have already banned fidget spinners for being too distracting, but that hasn't stopped them making over playgrounds. A lot of their success is helped by their affordability, while you can invest in high-end spinners that can cost anywhere between £20 to £100, your average device will only set you back around £5. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and watch out for the next video. Thank you.